Hello again. My name is Parker Humphrey, and I am an AS 280, Section 210, and today I will be critiquing Peyton Henderson's second photo. As I said in the first video, I chose my first critique to be over my favorite picture out of her series, and my second critique to be to be about my least favorite photo in her series. So this is the picture that I chose for my least favorite. Honestly, I just think that there's so many things going on in this photo that it is just extremely distracting. There's nothing really good about this photo except how pretty this girl is, and I just don't feel like it was captured very well. I think the idea behind all of your pictures was like women, beauty, and empowerment, and for women to show how they're different, but we're all kind of the same in this world. And I just feel like this photo just doesn't capture that. As I talked about in the last video, some of the other photos had a little bit of distracting things on the back wall, which was fine. So I thought maybe I would pick a photo that had a lot of distracting things. But I really just wanted to talk about all the things on this beautiful woman that are just like a bit distracting, and if they were just a little bit different, the photo would have been a lot better. So I first wanted to talk about why her eyes are closed. Some I don't really understand like why a model would ever close her eyes because your eyes say so much about how you're feeling and what you want to say about your feelings. Your eyes really are a way to completely show what the person's emotions are, whether they're smiling or not smiling. And I just feel like this girl's eyes being open would have really helped the photo because you actually would have seen joy in her eyes, but her eyes are closed and it just is a little bit confusing as to why she's smiling, but her eyes are closed. Also, her hair is just like a bit messy. I get that you're trying to get like a personality shot, but the wispies in her hair are just kind of everywhere. And honestly, this just could have easily been fixed with just a little brush and then just her hair tied back again. Just maybe a couple wispies give her a little bit of personality, but this just is kind of messy. Um, Also, her outfit is really distracting. It's just a little bit. It kind of looks like she's in. I know she's not in pajamas, but it just kind of looks like she's in pajamas. Um, and then there's also like a stain on her shoulder. I just maybe would have taken the sweatshirt off, or maybe just asked her to bring a different shirt. Um, it's just a little bit distracting, just because really the beauty is what's supposed to be captured in all these photos, and I just don't feel like her beautiful face was captured because it was distracting about her clothes. Also, there's a terrible shadow on her right shoulder or left shoulder um from her face that could have been easily avoided with a fixture of the lighting. Also, I just think this looks a little bit like a mugshot with the placement of her in the photograph. She definitely could have been placed a little bit better, and it would have given the photo a lot more. Alright, thank you.